Dogs are one of the most loved pets in the world. From loyal German Shepherds to playful Labradors and beautiful Golden Retrievers, every breed has its own personality, appearance, and unique qualities. But have you ever wondered how much different dog breeds can cost? In this video, we're going to look at 30 popular dog breeds and their estimated prices in US dollars. Keep watching because some of the dogs on this list can cost surprisingly more than others. Remember, these prices are approximate and can vary depending on the dog's age, pedigree, training, location, breeder, and other factors. So, let's begin our countdown. At number 30, we have the Dalmatian. Dalmatians are instantly recognizable because of their famous black and white spotted coats. They are energetic, intelligent, and need plenty of exercise and attention. They are often associated with firefighters and classic movies, which has made them even more popular. An estimated Dalmatian can cost around $500 to $2,000, depending on its pedigree and quality. At number 29 is the Afghan Hound. This breed is famous for its long, silky hair and elegant appearance. Afghan Hounds have a very distinctive look and were originally bred for hunting. They can be independent and sometimes challenging to train, but their beauty makes them highly desirable. An Afghan Hound can cost approximately $1,000 to $2,500. Number 28 is the Boxer. Boxers are strong, energetic, playful, and very loyal to their families. They are known for their muscular bodies and fun-loving personalities. Boxers can make excellent family companions when properly trained and exercised. Their estimated price is around $800 to $2,500. At number 27, we have the Border Collie. If intelligence is what you're looking for, the Border Collie is one of the breeds that immediately comes to mind. They are extremely energetic and are famous for their ability to learn commands and perform tasks. Because they are so active, they need regular exercise and mental stimulation. A Border Collie can cost approximately $800 to $2,500. Coming in at number 26 is the Chow Chow. This fluffy breed is famous for its lion-like appearance and distinctive blue-black tongue. Chow Chows can be independent and reserved, but they can also form strong bonds with their owners. Depending on the breeder and pedigree, a Chow Chow may cost around $1,000 to $4,000. Number 25 is the Bull Mastiff. This powerful breed was originally developed as a guard dog and is known for its strength, courage, and protective nature. Despite its large size, a well-trained Bull Mastiff can be calm and affectionate with its family. The estimated price is around $1,000 to $3,500. At number 24, we have the Cane Corso. The Cane Corso is a large and powerful Italian breed known for its athletic body and protective personality. These dogs require responsible ownership, proper training, and socialization from an early age. A Cane Corso can cost approximately $1,500 to $4,000. Number 23 is the Saint Bernard. This giant dog is famous for its enormous size and gentle personality. Saint Bernards became especially famous for their historical role as rescue dogs in the Swiss Alps. They can be wonderful family companions but require plenty of space and care. Their estimated price is around $1,000 to $3,000. At number 22 is the Akita. The Akita is a strong and dignified Japanese breed known for its loyalty and independent personality. Akitas can be very devoted to their families but require experienced handling, training, and socialization. Their estimated price can range from $1,500 to $4,000. Number 21 is the beautiful Samoyed. With its bright white coat and famous smiling expression, the Samoyed is one of the most recognizable fluffy dog breeds. They are friendly, energetic, and very social. However, their thick coats require regular grooming. A Samoyed can cost around $2,000 to $7,000, making it one of the more expensive breeds on our list. Now we enter the top 20. At number 20, we have the Maltese. This small breed is known for its beautiful white coat, affectionate personality, and compact size. Maltese dogs are popular among people who prefer smaller companion dogs. Depending on quality and pedigree, a Maltese can cost approximately $1,000 to $3,000. Number 19 is the Yorkshire Terrier, often called a Yorkie. Despite its tiny size, this little dog has a confident and energetic personality. Yorkies are popular companion dogs and are especially known for their long, silky coats. Their estimated price can range from $600 to $3,000. At number 18, we have the Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are among the smallest dog breeds in the world, but they often have huge personalities. They can be energetic, alert, and extremely attached to their owners. Depending on their pedigree and type, Chihuahuas can cost around $500 to $2,500. Number 17 is the Cocker Spaniel. This breed is known for its beautiful ears, expressive eyes, and friendly personality. Cocker Spaniels are playful and affectionate and can make wonderful family pets. Their estimated price is around $800 to $2,500. At number 16 is the Dachshund, also known as the sausage dog because of its long body and short legs. Dachshunds were originally bred for hunting, and despite their small size, they can be surprisingly brave and determined. Their estimated price is around $500 to $2,500. Number 15 is the giant and impressive Great Dane. Often called a gentle giant, the Great Dane can be enormous in size while still having a calm and affectionate personality. Because of their size, they require proper nutrition, care, and enough space. A Great Dane can cost approximately $1,000 to $3,000. At number 14 is the Belgian Malinois. This athletic and intelligent breed is widely recognized for its work in police, military, security, and protection roles. Belgian Malinois are highly energetic and need serious training and daily activity. Their estimated price can range from $1,000 to $3,000. Number 13 is the Doberman Pinscher. Dobermans are known for their elegant appearance, intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature. With proper training and socialization, they can become devoted companions. A Doberman can cost around $1,000 to $3,500. At number 12, we have the Rottweiler. Rottweilers are powerful, confident, and loyal dogs. They are often used as working and protection dogs, but with proper training and responsible ownership, they can also be loving family companions. Their estimated price is around $1,500 to $4,000. Number 11 is the adorable Shih Tzu. This small companion breed is known for its long coat, cute face, and affectionate personality. Shih Tzus are popular with families and people looking for a smaller indoor companion. Their estimated price is around $500 to $2,500. And now, we have reached the top 10. At number 10 is the Pomeranian. This tiny dog is famous for its fluffy coat, fox-like face, and confident personality. Pomeranians may be small, but they can be energetic and very vocal. Depending on pedigree and quality, a Pomeranian can cost approximately $1,000 to $4,000. Number 9 is the Beagle. Beagles are friendly, curious, energetic, and famous for their excellent sense of smell. They are popular family dogs and generally love exploring their surroundings. A Beagle can cost around $500 to $1,500. At number 8 is the Poodle. Poodles are highly intelligent dogs that come in different sizes, including standard, miniature, and toy. They are known for their intelligence, trainability, and curly coats. Their estimated price can range from $1,200 to $3,500. Number 7 is the Siberian Husky. Huskies are famous for their striking eyes, beautiful coats, and wolf-like appearance. They are energetic, playful, and require plenty of exercise. They can also be quite independent, so training is important. A Siberian Husky can cost approximately $700 to $2,500. At number 6, we have the Labrador Retriever. Labradors are among the most popular family dogs in the world. They are friendly, intelligent, playful, and often excellent companions for families. Labradors are also commonly trained as assistants and working dogs. Their estimated price is around $800 to $2,500. Now we're getting very close to number 1. At number 5 is the Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are famous for their friendly nature, intelligence, beautiful golden coats, and loyalty. They are often considered excellent family dogs and are also commonly trained as assistants and therapy dogs. A Golden Retriever can cost approximately $1,000 to $5,000, depending on pedigree, breeder, and other factors. At number 4 is the German Shepherd. German Shepherds are famous for their intelligence, loyalty, courage, and versatility. They are widely used in police and security work, search and rescue, and as service dogs. They can also make excellent family companions when properly trained and socialized. Their estimated price can range from $800 to $3,000. At number 3 is the powerful Cane Corso. This Italian Mastiff is known for its muscular appearance, confidence, and protective personality. Cane Corsos require experienced owners, consistent training, and proper socialization. A Cane Corso can cost approximately $1,500 to $4,000. At number 2 is the adorable French Bulldog. French Bulldogs have become extremely popular because of their compact size, unique appearance, and entertaining personalities. Their short noses and body structure can also mean they require special care, particularly in hot weather. A French Bulldog can cost approximately $2,000 to $7,000, and exceptional pedigrees can be even more expensive. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samoyed. With its beautiful white coat, fluffy appearance, and famous smiling expression, the Samoyed is one of the most eye-catching dog breeds in the world. They are friendly, social, energetic, and known for their beautiful appearance. A high-quality Samoyed puppy can cost around $2,000 to $7,000, depending on pedigree, breeder, location, and other factors. So there you have it, 30 popular dog breeds and their estimated prices. From the small Chihuahua and Yorkshire Terrier to giant breeds like the Great Dane and Saint Bernard, every dog has its own personality and unique qualities. But remember, buying a dog is only the beginning. Food, grooming, vaccinations, training, veterinary care, and other expenses can add significantly to the overall cost of owning a dog. Now tell me in the comments, which dog breed would you choose if money was not a problem? Would you pick a German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Husky, French Bulldog, or perhaps a Samoyed? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more interesting dog facts, animal videos, and price comparisons. See you in the next video.